just like to say that Diamond Head is a volcano crater that was created 300,000 years ago, and the island was 2 million years ago. I'm gonna go into this picture.
Wait, she's allowed to take videos of you and
No, she's not.
Oh yeah, 'cause I got a feeling we will be living down by the beach somewhere. No worries, no problems, sun will all gonna flout in your hair. Hanging where the locals say, singing what the locals say. Let's live aloha. Yeah, yeah. Every day I say yeah, yeah. And if I showed you a good time, would you be so kind to show me a good time too? Let's live aloha. And if I showed you a good time, would you be so kind to show me a good time too? Let's live aloha.
Step into the ocean. Here I am with my toes in the sand. These waves crash over me, yeah. Feeling your love. Diving under the water, looking up at the sun above. Oh yeah.
Back to the beach, then back to the pad, back to the ocean, back to the sand, back to the good times that we have. Living on this island, jamming on these vibes, 'cause these vibes so good. Blasting the green as I'm rolling through your neighborhood. Bumping it below, low, jamming like a loco. Riding on my moped, flying like I'm solo. To the place I only know, to the break you wanna go. I want aloha every day, yeah, yeah. Every day I say yeah, yeah. If I showed you a good time, would you be so kind to show me a good time too? Let's live aloha.